using Multifit. So as we all know, it's unavoidable that there are some dust or dirty things such as birds droppings on the solar panels. So it's very necessary to clean your solar panels regularly to avoid the hot spot effect, and also can improve your efficiency electricity production. So if you use the solar panel cleaning brush, it can help you improve the cleaning efficiency. As you see in the video, our solar panel cleaning brush can clean solar panels very clearly because it has water. There is a water outlet in the brush discs, so that when you connect your solar brush into electricity or lithium battery, it can rotate automatically and the water will flow out. If you have any other needs or you want to know more details, please feel free to contact me. Bye!